What's going on, guys?
Hey everybody.
We are back with another episode here in Sneak City. Don't forget, we're located in Seattle, Washington. So if you guys are visiting from the area, passing through, whatever it may be, please come through the shop. We are located in Fremont. Don't forget, everything you guys see behind us
is on the website, and that is www.thesneakcity.com.
Yes, sir. And if you guys want first dibs, or if you're local and want to know exactly what we get in, make sure you're following us on Instagram. We throw everything up on the story before it hits the website nightly around 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But let's see what deals we can get into today, guys.
Let's do it.
How you guys doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. Doing good.
Good.
Man, I've been following you for a very long time.
Hey, that's what's up.
Very, very long.
Since like the Subfed account?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Since the first shout out from Blazendary.
Damn.
Yeah, that long ago. That long ago.
Actually, it was Blake Linder, but.
Blake Linder.
Yeah.
Blazendary? You didn't know Blazendary?
No. Me and Blazendary never did.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah.
Blake Linder, yeah.
You can. It's easily to confuse the two, I guess. That's cool though. That was a long time.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. You from Seattle?
I'm Portland, actually.
Nice.
Yeah. You ever heard of Culture Blends?
Yes.
In Portland? Yeah, I was the manager there.
Nice.
Yeah, but parted ways.
Nice. What are you up to now?
I'm starting my own thing now.
Let's go. That's the way to go. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Having fun?
Got kind of weird, yeah.
Oh, did it get weird?
It got weird.
That's not. That's never fun.
Got like every day at the shop, we just put the YouTube channel on.
Our
And our
shop?
show, yeah.
That's so cool. Thank you, man. That's crazy.
It was like, actually, 24/7. 24/7. People was like, where's that store at? Seattle.
That's so cool. So what, you don't work over there at all anymore?
Nah, but I still do business there.
Nice. That's dope. Cool. So you were looking to sell a lot of this?
Yeah.
Awesome. How much on these guys?
100.
Okay. These guys?
150.
Fearless?
260.
You 220?
240.
That's good.
250.
30?
35.
And then on these mids?
Maybe like 80. I learned once. My big foot goes from right here.
Why are you selling them? Don't like them? On to the next, huh?
A little big. A
A
little wider, so.
80 on these guys. I might hold off on these ones, but I'm down to take those ones
Which
for.
one? You got an offer or anything?
We just got that rack. It's just pretty.
You do a 40 on them?
40? Yeah, I can do that. So $765.
Cool, I can do that. Appreciate it.
In that deal, we bought these 4 pairs of shoes for a total of $765. How you doing?
Good.
Looking to get cash for these?
Yeah.
Did you hit on the newer colorways at all?
I hit on sneakers.
Nice.
Yeah. They've just been sitting in my closet, so.
How much were you looking for?
Probably like 50.
Yeah, that's good. Pick up your ID.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. In that deal, we bought his Union 4s for $550. All right, guys. This is super cool. I didn't know exactly what I was unpackaging at first, but this little note says, "To Tia and Anastasia and Moscow too, as a female in the sneaker game, and it isn't always easy. So I wanted to thank you guys for being such an inspiration. It shows that us ladies can do it too, just as well, if not better than the guys. Thank you for all the support. After all, that's what the sneaker community should be, full of love. 100%. Here are 2 of my own merch tees for both of you, and a little something for Moscow, of course. Shout out, an eye for kicks." That's super dope. Thank you so much. Got a sick little Mona Lisa with her logo on there, covering the eyes. That's super cool. And it's like a Jordan one as well. That's really cool. Thank you so much. And a little treat for Moscow too. Super nice. It's super dope. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Damn, you fit 3 pairs in here.
Yeah, I know. It's that. I feel like when you have a few boxes, you try to make the most of them. Those are a sample pair I got from someone who like posts like hella early pairs and stuff. So I traded him that PE I talked about with you a long time ago. The Air Jordan 3. Yeah, I was able to get some trade for it. So and that was part of it because I was like I kind of like it, but I'm not Vietnamese, and so it's like 25th anniversary of Vietnam.
Yeah.
Not Vietnamese at all. So I feel like
Not even
someone
a
else
little?
made. Yeah, not even the slightest bit. So I wore those one time. And I just don't wear them.
Is your worn as well?
Yeah, a couple times. You look like pretty blank.
How much were they made on the Obsidian?
Obsidians, I was looking for like 380.
You do 3 on them?
350 is probably the lowest I could go on.
I put on the 4s.
4s? I was thinking if I won a rack probably trade for those.
And then the Skies.
Skies at 350, 360, around there.
Could you do 9 and 325 on each?
You could, well, what about those two there?
Pass on this.
Also pass on these two. What about this? Just like a spring summer 17 Supreme.
Just probably interested in these 3. Got a lot of stuff in here. I gotta be a little picky.
Yeah, I know. I probably got it. It's probably cool. I'll probably, if you could do one on this, I'll go 325 on these two also.
You mean me a 950?
950. Let me check my numbers real quick.
So that'd be 16.
Yeah, I can do that. 60 for everything. That's good. Yeah, thank you for that. That was like probably that's actually exactly what I was looking for. So.
That's good. Perfect.
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pairs of shoes for $650. The ones? What's your size?
7.
Oh, 7.
Yeah.
7 men or 7?
7 men, 8 women.
No, that's 6.5. Very narrow shoe.
How much were you looking for?
Just market value. I don't know if you're on stock. I'll go a little bit more market value. So you guys usually price by last sale price or?
You should go off payouts. Payouts looking at $1,058. I do that in cash, and if you want to store credit, I do like $1,200.
Yeah, we'll do the cash.
Cash?
Yeah.
Because you really see nothing else that you want besides those.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do like a partial trade too, I'd love to.
So the beer garden.
In that deal, we bought these off-white sealed Jordan 4s for $1,058. Just do it. Turn what we're looking to trade for. He's a weirdo.
That's okay. I like weirdos. There we go. He looks like the dog we're watching, Sam. But without the cool haircut.
All them those switches are on the bottom.
I'll take it. These are clean.
Couldn't touch.
Yeah. Yeah, he needed it. He was like matting everywhere, and it was just time.
Easy.
So just store credit on everything?
Easy. Yeah, kind of.
Where'd you get these ones?
I traded them with my friend. They look kind of low off.
Yeah, they look a little off.
Oh, shit. Well, good thing he's my friend.
Yeah, I'll hold off on these
No,
ones.
that's cool. Real quick, what kind of looks off on them?
The insole, it looks like a weird dark red.
Oh, I kind of see that, yeah.
And then the front of the box, just looks off to me. It doesn't look like the ones I've seen.
No, that's cool.
Damn good fake though.
Damn. Such a clean shoe, too.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh.
That's just my opinion. I mean, you could take them to get a second opinion.
No, that's cool. Like, I believe it. So, like, you know money.
Alright, so these 3, how much were you looking to get each for store credit?
I was thinking like 14 on these.
Okay.
And then these ones, like 320.
Okay. And then Skies.
Skies are like
Payout's $440.
440.
Probably be around there.
Yes.
We'd be around 260 on these ones.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take a look around, see what there is.
So that put 700 on these. I'll probably hold off on these. I'd probably be a little far off. I'd maybe do like 800 store credit on these.
800? I think I'll hold up on these.
Okay.
So what do we have on these two then?
700 for both.
Yeah.
260 and
Yeah, I got a question.
How much cash could you do on these?
650.
Target orange,
Yeah.
but
I'll probably go with that then.
Cash?
normal colors.
In that deal, we bought these 3 pairs for a total of $1,600. We're gonna do a trade.
I'm trying to trade up for both of your lamps now. For both of them.
I appreciate that. Yeah, those are nice pairs.
And I wanted them back, I think, was it 14 it came out? Something? So
Sleepers, man. Not a lot of people like.
Yeah.
It's a dope shoe.
And like, left pair on the black is the white pair on the right,
Right?
right?
Yeah. Let me grab them for you. Yeah, these are some good pairs.
Got those from you guys, and I got the 5s from you guys also. I've worn the 4s once, and I never even put the 5s on. Those were worn probably like, I don't know, like 7 times. Had them for a while. Those just they don't hold up too well.
Yeah, they crease. You got these used from us, right?
Yes, I do.
Probably do like 230 store credit on these.
Okay.
75 on the Fear of Gods. 450 on the sales. How much do you want on the Cortez?
120.
Probably do like 75 on these as well.
Okay.
And these are both used.
This one, I never wore it. I don't have no tags on it, but I never wore that one. And this was probably worn 5 times.
Or like 75 each one.
Okay.
That brings it to 980
How much would I have on top of that?
for both. 520.
520? Yeah, we can do it.
We'll do it. Total is right here. He traded these items on the left plus $520 for our dead stock black and white Lance Mountain Jordan 1 SBs. Alrighty guys, that is going to be the end of today's episode. Our camera did die, so we were not able to do a recap, but you guys can find everything that we did buy on our website, thesneakcity.com. We appreciate all of you for watching, tuning in, subscribing, liking, doing all of those things. It means a lot to us, so thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Until then, we'll see you next time. We out.